Hello friends, welcome to Cuisine Treasure by Sonam. Today I am going to show you how to make market style soft laddi pav. So for the yeast mixture, I have taken 3/4 cup of milk, and the milk should be warm. It should not be hot, it should not be cold. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar in it and half tablespoon of yeast in it, and just let it aside for 10 minutes. So it should froth like this. You can see there is a lot of frothing, so it means the yeast is activated. So if your yeast look like this after 10 minutes, then you can proceed for the recipe. Otherwise, just discard it and again try with another brand of the yeast. Now take a big parant like this and add 2 cups of maida in it. This is milk powder, 1.5 teaspoon of milk powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Just mix everything nicely. Now make a well in the center and add the yeast mixture into it. Now mix everything. So the mixture should be a little runny. It should not look like a dough. You can see it should be sticky. Now transfer it onto your kitchen platform, and now we have to knead it. See, it's looking very sticky, so it should look like this only. And now use both your hands, and we have to make gluten in it. So after 1 minute we will add butter, 4 teaspoon into it. Just knead it like this. Don't worry, it should be sticky. For 10 to 15 minutes we have to knead it. So now it's been 1 minute. Now add 4 teaspoon of butter, salted butter in it, and now knead it till you get a dough. Not very fine dough, but it takes a shape of dough, so it will take 10 to 15 minutes. So just to scrape off, you can use any spatula. If you have scraper, you can also use that. Just scrape off everything from the kitchen top and bind everything well, and again knead it. So it's been 10 to 11 minutes, and you can see now it looks like a dough. Now put the dough in a big ball, add some oil over the top, and just spread it all over so that our dough doesn't get dry. And now cover it with a wet towel or wet cloth and keep it aside for 1 hour in a warm place, like inside your microwave or oven. So it's been an hour. Let's check the dough. So you can see our dough is puffed up very well. It is fully fermented now. Now add a little flour over it and just press it. Now we have to knead it a little gently with your hands. Just again dust your cooking platform with some flour and take out the dough. Add a little in the ball itself and just wipe out everything. And now fold it very gently. That's why they are called laddi pav. We have to use very light hands. Don't use much flour, use a little just to bind everything together. And now just gently make a log out of it, and then we will cut equal portions. Don't use much force, just gently roll it. And now using a cutter or a knife, cut out equal portions out of it. Now take one portion and put it on your palm and just make a cup using of your second hand and just roll it like this. So one is going clockwise and the below hand is going anti-clockwise. Just move it like this and make a circle out of it. So now, as you can see, all the portions for the pav are ready, and I have taken a baking dish. Just grease it with some oil, and if you have butter paper, just cover the bottom with the butter paper, and if you don't have, just dust the baking dish with some flour. And now we have to keep this for another 1 hour and cover it with the same wet cloth and keep it aside again in the microwave. So now it's been 1 hour. So here you can see the pav get doubled in size. Now just take some milk and brush the pav with the milk so that they become moist. And now we'll bake them in microwave convection mode at 180 degree for 20 minutes. Just preheat the microwave first and then put them inside. So now after 20 minutes you can see it's fully baked. Now what we have to do, apply some butter over it. So now cover it with the wet cloth, and now we have to wait until it cools completely. So now they are completely cooled and I have cut them in pieces. So you can see how spongy they are, and I'll show you. See the texture, it's perfect like the ready-made pav. So now they are ready to eat. Enjoy with bhaji, or you can also make vada pav. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe and share my page.